Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung A57 versus Galaxy A56. What's the major difference? Samsung has been working on its successor for some time now. The Galaxy A57 is scheduled to be unveiled alongside the A37 next March. Let's take a look at what it will look like. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 1. Design difference. In terms of design, these aren't expected from the Galaxy A57. The Galaxy A57 sees major changes. The exterior is expected to remain largely unchanged, including a flat frame, oval camera module, Victus Plus protective glass, and IP67 dust and water resistance. Compared to the Galaxy A56, however, it should be slightly thinner. Rumors suggest a thickness of about 7.1 mm, up from 7.4 mm. Number 2. Display difference. The Galaxy A56 doesn't offer any major display improvements, other than increased brightness. It features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1900 nits. The Galaxy A57 doesn't appear to feature any major changes in this area, if any at all. Number 3. Performance and software. The biggest difference from year to year is expected to be in performance. The Galaxy A57 is reportedly powered by the Exynos 1680 chipset, whose Xclipse 550 GPU is claimed to be up to 2 times faster than the Xclipse 540 GPU in the Exynos 1580 chip. The chipset should be paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. No changes are expected. Software-wise, the Galaxy A57 should run One UI 8.5, based on Android 16 out of the box. Number 4. Camera difference. The Galaxy A56 features a triple camera setup with resolutions of 50, 12, and 5 megapixels, the second of which is an ultra-wide-angle lens, and the third is a macro camera. The front camera has a resolution of 12 megapixels. Leaks so far don't indicate that the Galaxy A57 will bring any improvements in this area. Number 5. Battery and charging. The Galaxy A57 should have the same capacious battery as the A56, at 5000 mAh. However, given the potentially more power-efficient Exynos 1680 chipset, battery life could be slightly longer. Charging speed should also remain the same at 45 watts. Final conclusion. We can assume the Galaxy A57 will differ little from the A56, with the biggest differences expected to be a thinner profile, and a faster chipset, and possibly different colors, but nothing is known yet. The Galaxy A57 is expected to be unveiled alongside the Galaxy A37, or maybe alongside the Galaxy A57, in early March next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.